Hello viewers, welcome to Node.js tutorial for beginner. Today I will describe about Node.js with the basic overview. So what is Node.js? Node.js is an open source server environment. Node.js is a free. Node.js run on various platforms: Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS X, etc. Node.js uses JavaScript on the server. So why Node.js is needed? Node.js use asynchronous programming. A common task for a web server can be open a file on the server and return content to the client. So here is how PHP or ASP handle the file request. At first, send the task to the computer file system. Wait while the file system open and read the file and return the content to the client, ready to handle the next request. So this process work the PHP and ASP file request. Here is how Node.js handle a file request. Send the task to the computer file system, ready to handle the next request. So Node.js no need to wait file system open or read file. So send the task to the computer file system and read to handle the next request. When the file system has opened and read file, the server return to the content to the client. Node.js eliminates the waiting and simplify continuous with the next request. Node.js run single thread, non-blocking asynchronous programming, which is very memory effective. What can Node.js do? Node.js can generate dynamic page content. Node.js can create, open, read, write, delete, and close file on the server. Node.js can collect from data. Node.js can add, delete, modify data in your database. So what is Node.js file? Node.js file contain tasks that will be executed on the certain event. A typically event is someone trying to access a port on the server. So Node.js file must be initiated on the server before have any effect. Node.js file have extension .js. So what is npm? The Node Package Manager. npm is a package manager for Node.js packages or modules. If you like, this is the npm website npmjs.com, hosts thousands of free packages to download and use. The npm program is installed on your computer when install Node.js. So when Node.js install, npm automatically installed. So Node.js official site is nodejs.org/en and npm site www.npmjs.com. Thank you.